LeBron James has announced his decision to join the Philadelphia 76ers for his record-extending 24th NBA season. The league's all-time leading scorer spent the last 8 seasons of his glittering career with the Los Angeles Lakers, leading them to a title in 2020 after 2 separate stints with the Cleveland Cavaliers and 4 years with the Miami Heat. 41-year-old James, who surpassed Robert Parrish's record for most career regular season games played in March this year, has continued to perform at an elite level despite his age. He earned a league record 22nd consecutive All-Star selection last February during a season in which he averaged 20.9 points, 6.1 rebounds and 7.2 assists over 60 matches. James did not disclose the terms of the deal, but ESPN reported that the 4-time champion signed a 2-year $8 million contract with a player option. The 4-time NBA Most Valuable Player will join forces with Joel Embiid, Tyrese Maxey and the recently acquired Jaylen Brown in a 76ers team that moved from 20-1 odds to win the NBA title to 10-1 after his announcement. The Sixers made the 2026 NBA playoffs by securing the Eastern Conference's 7th seed through a play-in tournament before falling to the eventual champions New York Knicks in the second round.